as I kissed you. I don't wanna wait. How long has it been since you held me? I don't wanna wait. How long has it been since I felt like this about anything? I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna wait no more. How long do we have to put up with this lonely charade? As long as I know.
Alright family, we're back. So now you get to finally see me. We're gonna go ahead and start putting this sandwich together. So I got my olive mixture here. It's just mayo, red wine vinegar, some Kalamala olives, some black olives, and some green olives. And also the pimento. Alright. I don't like a lot of pimento, so I didn't put the required amount. I think it was like 6 ounces. I only put maybe an ounce. Alright. So I got my provolone cheese here, my Swiss cheese. Yes, I like Swiss cheese. Pepper jack cheese, lettuce with vinegar and olive oil, tomatoes, mayo. Even though I got mayo in my olive mixture, I wanted more mayo for my sandwich. I got some Dijon mustard. Now for the important part. Some thinly sliced roast beef. I got some hard salami and some mortadella. It's down at the bottom. You'll see it once it goes on the sandwich, but it's mortadella. And then I got my ciabatta loaf. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead first. We're gonna start with this mixture here. Where's my knife? Oh, there it is. So you just wanna put half of the mixture on the bottom. This is actually the top, so I started backwards, but half on the bottom. Let all that good gooey come out of there. And we had about a cup of olives. Got to tell you, there's green onions in olive mixture as well. So now I just need to spread that around. Forgive me, people, I'm not very neat when I do stuff like this. But you get the idea. You just kind of want it everywhere on the sandwich. Like that. And you see, I didn't put a lot of mayonnaise in there. A quarter cup of mayonnaise was what the recipe called for, so that's what I used. That's a lot of olives. Alright, so just trying to spread it out evenly. Now you can see why I want some more mayo and a little Dijon mustard. So before I go to the next step, I'm going to go ahead and put my mayo on the top bun. That's plenty. Alright. Now I'm going to put my Dijon mustard there as well. Yeah, I went in the opposite direction. Alright, that's that. That's done. Alright, so let's build this sandwich. Alright, so first we're going to start with the meat and cheese, right? So I'm going to go with some salami. Ooh-wee. It's going to be a good sandwich. Alright, one layer of that. And then they didn't have a lot of the mortadella, so I'm just going to put one layer. Maybe I'll do 2. Just do 3 on that side, and then I'll top it with some roast beef. I got this from Publix Deli. Sliced it really thin. See how thin that is? Alright. Let me stop trying to be pretty with this and just get it done. So we're going to do 2 layers. So we're going to break it up. There we go. Was that your stomach growling? Start making us hungry, man. Alright, some cheese. We're going to go with some cheese. Provolone cheese. Put some pepper jack cheese. And in the middle, I'll put some Swiss cheese. 1, 2, 3. All right. So the only thing we have to do now is put lettuce and tomato. All right. Then we'll put another layer of the meat, and then we'll be done. All right. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and top it with some lettuce first. You can put as much or as little as you want. And yes, I did chop this lettuce myself. You can tell because it's uneven. Doesn't look very pleasing. But it's my lettuce and I'm gonna eat it. Like I said, this lettuce has olive oil and red wine vinegar as well. So if you ever go to Subway, you ask for oil and vinegar, that's the same concept here. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do the meat and cheese on top. All right, hold on. I forgot something here. Tomatoes. So I like real thin sliced tomatoes. So I'm gonna put some thin ones in there. I don't need a lot. Yeah, here's another thin one. Let me just go ahead and use them. Might as well. Or it's gonna be a monster sandwich. That one's too heavy. Yeah, go with that one. Okay, so that's that. So now, what you think I should do? Cheese or meat first? Cheese and then meat.
Cheese and meat.
Okay, so we're gonna go back in reverse.
Let's change that.
Meat and cheese.
Meat and cheese.
Okay.
So you can have layers.
Okay. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put another layer of salami. And then, like I told you guys, I had very limited amounts of the mortadella. So now, roast beef. Roast beef me, please. Well, this is a man's sandwich. That's all I can say.
You're not even gonna be able to bite that. You know, it's big, but it ain't that
She
big.
crazy?
It's big though. But it ain't that
Alright, so I think that's probably good right there. Alright, and then cheese. Can't forget the cheese. So I'll go back with the provolone. How many pieces I put on the bottom?
big. I don't know.
Let's just start with
I
3.
wasn't counting.
I think it was 3. Oh yeah, I did like this. 1, 2, 3. And then I went with the pepper jack. 3 slices of that. 1, 2, 3. And then finished it off with some Swiss. Wow, this is a massive sandwich. How many calories y'all think this sandwich is?
1,500.
Think that's it? I was going for about a 2,000 calorie sandwich.
It's possible.
Alright, so this is the sandwich. So the next step we have to do, we have to refrigerate this for a couple hours. It might make it an hour, I'm just gonna be honest with you. I might have patience for 1 hour, but other than that, I don't know. But I'm just gonna top this sandwich. There we go.
I did it. I was gonna fall out all over the place.
Well, I guess that's why they got the mayonnaise and everything in there too.
Mm-hmm.
Well, look at that sandwich though. Look at that.
What you gotta do with it?
Look at that sandwich.
Oh, put it down before the olives come out.
Here come Mr. Dramatic. Look at the sandwich.
It looks like it's smiling at me.
Okay. So now I have to wrap it. I'm gonna wrap it in saran wrap. Then I have to put it on a baking sheet. Put a heavy pan or something that I can press it down with in the refrigerator for 2 hours. All right, so we'll go ahead and wrap it. I'll show you the final wrap product, and then I'll show you once we put it in the fridge. All right, so we'll be like that. All right, so what we're gonna do, I have a baking sheet here. I've already wrapped it, as you can see. It's wrapped, it's nice and wrapped. See that? It's wrapped. All right, so the object here is to get cookie sheet, same size here. That's just so. And then we're trying to press the sandwich down. So we're gonna use this plus this.
What is that?
It's an iron skillet to weight it down. All right. Now this is going in the refrigerator for 2 hours. It's gonna get all those nice flavors together and everything like that. They're gonna talk. They're gonna have a couple conversations. They may even, what happens if you get stuck with somebody for too long? I'm just saying. I don't know. Who knows? Who knows where that's gonna go? All right. But anyway, so this is going in the fridge. All right. Fits perfectly in there. Alright, so that thing is nice and pressed now. And that's it. So we'll be back in 2 hours and we'll go ahead and have a taste test and I'll show you what we got. Alright, welcome back. It's been 2 hours. I can't wait. The muffuletta is done. Just gonna cut the wrap off.
Cheese. That's
I'll
cheese
cut some
abuse.
cheese.
That's cheese abuse.
I did cut some cheese.
Cut cheese.
Just gonna get this thing off of here. So as you can see, it's flattened down even more because I had the skillet on top of it, putting that pressure on it. Try to get this out the way. There we go. Bam. Let me go and get this thumbnail, man. Get your knives out the way. Got my thumbnail right here. All right. So now we got that out the way. So I'm gonna go ahead and slice this thing in 4 even slices, if I can. That's about good right there. Right there. About right there. Woo. All right, there you have it. So there's our muffuletta. Bam. See that? I know it looks delicious. I know. I'm gonna tear into this thing. Let me go ahead and serve me one up. I'll take that piece there. Set this off to the side.
You can come around here and I'll switch places with you.
That's okay. I'll set it up to the side. Might need a napkin because I think it's gonna be kind of messy. All right, let's give it a taste. I don't think I've ever tried one of these before. I think this is the first time. So the first muffuletta I've had is the one that I made. So you see the olive mixture here, the cheese, all of the meats, lettuce, tomato in between. And I like the idea of putting the lettuce and tomato in between the layers of meats and cheese. It keeps it in there and flat. You ain't got to worry about your lettuce and all that stuff falling out your sandwich. All right, so let's give this big boy a try. Oh yeah. She told me I got some stuff in my mind. I ain't worried about it. I know how it is when you're grubbing. Well, yeah, so sandwich is really, really good. If you're not a huge fan of olives, probably not for you. The olive mixture is really strong in there. But like I said, most people that eat this type of sandwich, they love olives. So that's why they make the paste or whatever. But It's definitely worth giving it a shot. I will do this again. Next time I gotta do it in a way that my wife can eat it too. So look forward to some kind of modification for, you know, my wife so she can eat it with me. But yeah, this was a great recipe. Oh, let me tell you how I came up with this, right? Every Saturday morning, get into bed or wake up and we're watching TV, and I always turn to Food Network just because I like to see cooking channels or whatever. So every Saturday morning, Redrumming is on. So this morning she happened to be making the Muffuletta. So I was like, you know what? I told my wife, I said, next hour, so I need to be at the store because I'm gonna make that sandwich. And guess what? I made the sandwich. It's here. It was raining earlier. She showed that to you guys, but we still made it happen. Great sandwich. I suggest you guys try it. So if you like this video, please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I saw we lost a subscriber. I don't know who you are, but that's not cool. You know, we need all the subscribers we can get. We trying to get to 1,000 at least. So help us out. Please share the video. Please like it. Please thumbs up. Please comment and all the other stuff. All right. We'll see you in the next video. Next video is probably gonna be what?
Chicken egg rolls.
Egg rolls. We're gonna have some egg rolls for you guys. All right. So look forward to that. We'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for stopping in with Cooking with the Kims.